Hi, my name is Charlena, and thank you so much for checking out Any Events Linen and Chair Rental, your boutique wedding rental company based out of Lakeland, Florida. Today is Tip Tuesday, and this is when I share some of my most valuable tips and tricks to help make your wedding rental process easier than expected. One of the highlights of your wedding day is the wedding reception. And what a great way to amplify space within the venue by throwing in round tables to 60 inches and 72s, and then throwing in some 6-foot and 8-foot tables. So throwing in the rounds and the rectangles to help maximize the space, but also encourage engaging conversation, as well as making the dance floor the center of attention. And if you're hosting a micro wedding, don't worry, we have you covered. Square tables, card table size, are perfect. They can fit between 4 to 6 guests at each table. And don't forget about your cocktail tables. For those who cannot stay off the dance floor, they are perfect to have in multiple places throughout the wedding, because sometimes people, they want to drink and congregate and talk. So make sure you have enough cocktail tables in place for that. Thanks for joining us. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or feel free to send us an email. Until next time, happy wedding planning. Bye, you guys.